industry, allowing engineers to design and test new vehicles and components in a virtual environment. Computer-based simulations can provide detailed insights into the performance and safety of vehicles, helping engineers to optimize their designs and improve their efficiency. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to test and evaluate the performance of autonomous vehicles and their navigation systems. Space exploration. Simulation technology is also used in space exploration, allowing scientists and engineers to model and simulate complex systems and scenarios in space. Space simulations can help to test and evaluate new spacecraft and technologies before launching them into orbit. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to model and predict the behavior of celestial bodies and help scientists to understand the workings of the universe. Emergency response. Simulation technology is becoming an important tool for emergency response teams, allowing them to practice and prepare for potential disasters and crises. Emergency simulations can help responders to develop and refine their strategies and procedures in a safe and controlled environment. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to model and predict the behavior of natural disasters, such as hurricanes and earthquakes, helping emergency responders to prepare and respond more effectively. Sports training. Simulation technology is also used in sports training, providing athletes with opportunities to practice and develop their skills in a virtual environment. Sports simulations can help athletes to improve their performance and prepare for real-world competitions. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to model and analyze the performance of athletes and teams, helping coaches to identify areas for improvement and develop winning strategies. Gaming. Simulation technology has a significant impact on the gaming industry, providing players with immersive and realistic experiences. Video game simulations can create realistic environments and scenarios, allowing players to explore and interact with virtual worlds. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to create dynamic and challenging opponents, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Architecture and construction. Simulation technology is widely used in architecture and construction industries, providing architects and engineers with tools to design and visualize buildings and structures in a virtual environment. Computer-based simulations can provide detailed insights into the performance and safety of designs, helping architects and engineers to optimize their designs and improve their efficiency. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to test and evaluate the impact of different materials and environmental conditions on the design. Robotics. Simulation technology is also used in robotics, providing engineers with tools to design and test robots in a virtual environment. Robotic simulations can help engineers to optimize the design and performance of robots and identify potential issues before deploying them in the real world. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to model and predict the behavior of robots in different environments, helping engineers to develop more sophisticated and efficient robots. Training and development. Simulation technology is widely used in training and development programs, providing employees